Hey everybody, Matt from A to Z Diecast here. Going to review and open the Super 2015 Ford Mustang Treasure Hunt. 2018 release, as you can see, from the 50 years. You can't really see the details on the rims, so it's, I'm an opener, so whatever, but we're going to see what those bad boys look like and compare to that, the regular. Okay, let's open this up. I know there's somebody screaming every time I do that. Put that into my K-Day pile. Okay, so let's just do this one first. Some crap in that rim. So you can't really see them that well. Let's see if I can zoom the camera in. There we go. Honeycomb rim with a spinner. Can you see that? Look at that. I would like them to be different colors so you could see them better. Oh, I happen to have next to me a flashlight. A really bright flashlight. I can focus it. Oof. A little too bright. Can you look at the detail on that? I think those rims were on the Speed Machine's Mustang. But that's just me. Anyway, another reason why. Yeah, that's the year I was born, 78. Too bad I don't have boiler exhaust on my Mustang. Anyway, it is light because it's plastic based. Look at that. Hot Wheels trying to be slick. 2015 base on this bad boy. But that is... Oh wait, no. Duh. It is a 2015 Mustang. 2015 Mustang, 2015 base. My mistake. It's a little late at night while I'm doing this. Nice rims. Nice tires. For those of you who are going to do it, don't. It's slow. It does not move. Now let's compare. Reds are the same. Details are basically the same. It's just missing the TH and the rims. Okay, there is a difference in paint. This is glossy black. This is a grayish detail. I don't know what color I'd call that. Okay, so there is a difference in color. You can see the details better on the Super. I actually, believe it or not, I think this has more paint on it. The regular has more paint on it because on the Super, I can really feel the details of the lights, where if on the regular I can't. Anyway, going to the other side. Again, basically the same car. Bases are the same. Little markings. I know you guys, I don't get into this, but I know you guys see stuff. What we got? This is a K40 and a K11 for those of you guys who, oh no, sorry, K41. I look at not in the phone. K41 on the regular, K40 on the base. I don't know. That's all up to you guys. Interior is hard to see. It's got 2 seats. Again, side by side. That's the difference, but I got a Super. No, I didn't find it. I bought it. Whatever. It's a Mustang. I wanted it. Now Toys R Us is closing, so who knows what we're going to be finding. But anyway, regular, Super, regular, Super. Rolls better, regular. Anyway, really very, very slim difference, just the rims. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to us, leave some comments. Check out our eBay store, Big Belly Toys. Peace.